How to stake Richquack. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to stake Richquack step by step. So Richquack available at richquack.com. It's a launchpad where you need to stake some amount of their token called QUACK to participate in different crypto launches. So you can get some new tokens in advance before it's available for the public. If you don't have any QUACK tokens in your account, you can buy it right here by clicking on this button, and there are different options, but the easiest one is to buy it directly on Pancakeswap. If you have Metamask wallet, let's do it like this. Now you will be redirected directly to the Pancakeswap. You need to switch to the BNB Smart Chain on your Metamask wallet. Let's click on Switch Network. So I already connected. If you're not, you will be able to click on Connect. By default, we have BNB Cake pair, but we need another one. Let's go back to the website, and now we have this smart contract address. Let's copy it, select and copy. And now we want to swap BNB to Richquack. Let's paste its address here. Now it found it, and let's import it. It's okay, and import. Now we can swap, for example, BNB for QUACK token. If you want to swap anything else, you can select another token here. Let's say I will swap 0.01 BNB for this amount of QUACK tokens. Let's click on swap and confirm swap. As you can see, there is some problem. This transaction will not succeed either due to price movement or fee on transfer. Try increasing slippery tolerance. Let's do this. Click on this gear icon and let's increase to 1%. Let's try again. Click on swap and confirm swap. Okay, nothing changed. Okay, let's manually put 5% here. Close and try again. Nothing. Okay, what's going on? 10%. Nothing. 20%. Now it should work. Let's click on confirm. Okay, great. We also can add QUACK to our Metamask wallet. Let's do it. So we will be able to see all our tokens. Let's click on add. Transaction confirmed. And now we see our QUACK tokens. Now let's go back to the richquack.com and go to the app. Now we go to the staking page. We will see QUACK pool. Current APY 9.98%. Entry fee 2.5%. Let's connect our wallet. I have two wallets here. If you have only one, you will not see this option to choose. Just click on next and connect. Okay, wallet connected. You can see all the details, and let's check on the launchpad our levels. So 100 billion QUACK is needed to be qualified for the newbie tier, 500 billion QUACK for the next level, 2 trillion QUACK for the enthusiast level, 5 trillion QUACK for the adventurer level, and 12 trillion QUACK for risk taker. And the more you stake, the more pool weight you have. And those two levels, adventurer and risk taker, have guaranteed allocation. Other one is a lottery based, as you can see here. So let's go back to the staking, and now we can stake here. Let's click on max. 2.5% will be charged for fee, and click on approve coin. Click confirm. So now the transaction was confirmed, and I can click on stake to stake my tokens. Let's scroll down and click on confirm. You will need to have some BNB for this transaction to be processed in the blockchain. Congratulations, the staking process is successful. Please check your pool. Let's confirm. Now I can't see anything. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, and now I see that I staked this amount of QUACK token and already earned some tokens as well. Okay, great. I just show you how to stake QUACK token. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please let me know in the comments below. As usual, like and subscribe, and see you next time.